July 4th, 2024, about 7 o'clock in the afternoon. I think about 93, 94 degrees, about 45% humidity. We are back in arcade at the shop. We've got the shop cat here. She is going to be supervising. We have several products that we're going to be reviewing, unboxing and reviewing. We've got this solar fountain pump. This will be used for a bird bath fountain. We have a negative ion generator, call it a personal air purifier. I'm not sure how much space or how many ions, negative ions, it does generate, but we have some camera mounts, and we will use a couple, with this or either one of these camera mounts in doing some of the product reviews. We've got two different camera mounts, and we also have a supposedly very good dash camera, 4-channel. You've got a lens on each side, one in the middle, and then also a backup camera that is separate, and this is the wiring set up for it, which was also separate. But there's a waterproof camera for the back, so we'll see about mounting it outside. It's supposed to have good night vision, 1920 by 1080, full HD, quad, full high definition, front, left, right, and rear. So we will be getting that set up. So all of those reviews will be coming up under the strict supervision of the shop cat. Nothing gets past her. She may look as though she's sleeping, but she is paying very close attention. Okay, I don't know what we'll unbox first, but let's go ahead and get this video uploaded so y'all will know what to be looking for. We're probably going to upload or open this negative ion generator, probably charge it up and put it in the van. It says it's an air purifier, but negative ion generator. We're probably going to get a larger one as well, but we'll probably charge it up and put it in the van to start generating negative ions. We'll have to figure out some type of bucket. We may use that bucket down there, that aluminum bucket, put some water in it tomorrow, put this in the sun, and see how long it takes to charge up and start sprouting, fountain working, or whatever it does. And then we'll just be working on each one of these as we get them unboxed and checked out and uploaded. So this will be a wrap on this. So be looking for these reviews.